Why Ninja TV? Whee!
Today we have a Doghouse playset from Puppy Dog Pals, and it includes one playset, one A.R.F car, one seesaw, and our friends Bingo and Rolly. So today we're going to open this up and put it together and see what Bingo and Rolly can get into today. So here we go. This is Bingo and Rolly's playhouse. Here is Bingo. Hi guys! And here's his brother Rolly. Together they are Puppy Dog Pals. Alright, first let's see what they have. They have a big elevator. It goes up and down. And at the top of their elevator is where they collar up to get their collars, which helps them speak and have light and other really cool things. I think Rolly would love to hang glide around the top of the clubhouse. Here we go. He clicks in like this. And here he goes. Woo! Rolly really likes to hang glide.
Woo-hoo. Hey, what are you doing up there, Rolly? Not much, Bingo. Just hang gliding. Woo! Well, be careful. Woo! Bingo, Bingo, Bingo. Do you want to play on the seesaw? I guess, Rolly. But first, I need to collar up. Alright, Rolly, I'm ready. Gosh, Bingo, I love your collar. Let's go get on the seesaw. Woo! Gosh, this is so much fun, Bingo. Yeah, Rolly, I really love it. Good thing Hissy's not here. She wouldn't like it at all. You're right, Hissy only wants to nap. Now, you know what we should do next? We should go down the slide. Rolly, that's all you want to do is play all the time. But it's so much fun. Let's get on the elevator. One at a time. You can do it, Bingo. You can do it. I don't know. It's pretty high. Do it, do it, do it. You can do it, Bingo. You can do it. Here I go. Woo! Yay! Do it next, Rolly. Do it next. Come on, Rolly. Go down the slide. It's not scary. It's fun. Woo! Yeah! Wow, 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 wow. That was so much fun. That was so much fun. Let's swing on the tire swing. Let's swing on the tire swing. I'll go first, Bingo. Woo! Push me, push me. Wow, this is so much fun. All right. It's my turn. All right, Bingo. Get in the swing, and I will push you. Woo! Gosh, this is so much fun. When Bob's at work, we have such a good time. Bingo, what do you want to do next? We should ride around the clubhouse on A.R.F. Do you think A.R.F will let us ride? Yes. Here comes A.R.F. Who wants to go first? I want to go first, Bingo. Rolly, let me go first. You always go first. How about we... Let me go first. Okay, Rolly, okay. But one time around the clubhouse on A.R.F, and then it's my turn. Come on, pups. Woo! Now it's Bingo's turn. Woo! Gosh, Rolly, I'm so tired from playing all day. We went down the slide, we played on the swing, and we rode an A.R.F. Now I'm just so tired. Yeah, Bingo, I guess if we take a nap now, we'll be awake before Bob gets home. And then when Bob gets home, we can play. Yeah, let's take a nap now.